Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share with you this adorable bathing suit I got for my daughter. So she is 11 years old, and she wanted a two-piece, but we wanted to make sure that it was real modest. So what I love about this bathing suit set is that it really does give her great coverage. It has this adorable little peplum top that is just so girly, and yet it's modest and it's pretty. It's a gorgeous blue. There's a lot of different designs to pick from, but she really liked this one because it's so cute and tropical. The other part of it that is great is the bottom. As you can see, it is a high waist. So another reason that we opted for this bathing suit is because more of the tummy would be covered. It has full coverage on the back. And she is 5'3". She is about 90 pounds, I would say. So she's pretty tall and slender and 11 years old. And this extra small fit her perfectly. I'll give you an up close look at that pattern as well, because it is just so pretty. If you're looking for a modest, adorable bathing suit for your teen, or even for yourself for that matter, I definitely would recommend this one. And that is my point of view.